Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Holmes again, and it is time for Fundations. Get your iPads out and get your handwriting background ready to go. Today we're doing Fundations Unit 11, Week 1, Day 5. We're going to be working on words that have double vowels of the long E sound, some trick words, and I hope we have time for some sentences because I know you love them. All right, here we go. Echo me. E, me, E. E, P, E. E, E, Jeep, E. E, Y, key, E. E, A, eat, E. Y, baby, E. And now some R controlled sounds. AR, car, R. OR, horn, or. ORE, or. IR, bird, ER, her, UR, burn, All right, nicely done, boys and girls. Let's get ready for those trick words now. Our first trick word, I hope you're ready for it because it is the word ready. All right, so let's begin. Now, the word ready is a trick word because the EA doesn't make the long E sound. It just makes the sound of short E. That's what makes it a trick word. So here we go. Ready. 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 Now let's tap that out. Elbows up. Ready. Ed. E. Ready. How many sounds? 4 sounds. All right, let's mark it. That would be short E. The A is silent. D. And the Y makes what sound? Long E. That's right. Ed. E. Ready. All right, get your other color pen ready on your iPad. I prefer the highlighter myself. Here we go. Let's trace it. Ready. 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 Now, let's write it 3 more times. Now, boys and girls, I would recommend that you do it not write really large because if you do, you may find yourself running out of room. Ready. 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 And again, READY. Notice I'm saying the letters out and saying the word ready. 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 All right. Show your teacher your work. And next slide. Remember, teachers, you can pause the video at any time if you need discussion about a word. All right, our next word is the word whose. Whose. Like, whose coat is this? Whose. What makes it a trick word is you don't hear the W at all. You do hear the H, but it looks like it's a vowel consonant E word, but it's not because this O makes the OO sound, not the O sound, and the S makes a Z. All right, whose. 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 All right, now elbows up. Tap it out. Whose. Ha. Ooze. Whose. How many sounds? 3 sounds. Whose. Here we go. Let's map it. The W silent, but we do hear the H. The O makes the sound of ooh. Circle it. oo, and the S makes what sound? Z. And the E is silent. This word begins and ends with a silent letter. How weird is that? All right, let's trace over it with another color. Ready? Whose? W, H, O, S, E. And if you look at this closely, boys and girls, if you cover up the SE, it has the word who. Like, who are you? All right, whose. Let's write it 3 times. W, H, O, S, E. Write it 3 times. W, H, O, S, E. Whose. W, H, O, S, E. Whose. You can pause the video if you need more time. And new slide. Our next trick word is the word breakfast. Breakfast. What are we having for breakfast? All right. Now, breakfast has 2 syllables, break-fast, but it's tricky because the EA, you hear the short E sound instead of the long E sound, breakfast. And on fest, you don't hear an A. You hear, I think it sounds like a short U, breakfast. Some of you may live in a part of the country where it sounds like a short E, but here in Kansas, short U. Breakfast. B-R, brr, E-A, K, F-A-S-T. Breakfast. All right. Change colors. Ready? Oh, no, we don't want to change colors yet. We need to map it. All right, so you have the blend BR, burr, and I'm just going to go ahead and mark it that way. Burr, you have short E, breh, the A is silent, so cross it out. K, hear that K sound. K, breck, burr, k, fest. And hear the F, and then the A sounds like short U, breakfast, and then we have an ST blend at the end. All right, breakfast. I'll hold it up so you can see it. Breakfast. All right, now let's trace it and make sure that we are using a different color marker. So here we go, breakfast. Say the letters, B, R, E, A, K, F, A, S, T. Breakfast. All right, write it 3 times. You're probably going to have to write in small letters. Breakfast. B, R, E, A, K, F, A, S, T. Breakfast. B, R. You can pause the video if you need to. Breakfast. B, R, E, A, K, F, A, S, T. And the last time, breakfast. B, R, E, A, K, F, A, S, T. Breakfast. I like to have waffles for breakfast. Here's the word. All right, new slide. Well, it's time to move on now to some other words. And we are going to spell the word teacher. I like that word, teacher. Echo me, teacher. First syllable, teach. Second syllable, Teacher. A teacher is someone who teaches. They are a teacher. So, elbows up, tap it out. Teach. Each. All right, here we go. Teach. E A T E A ch Now we learned that anytime you have the R controlled sound of at the end of a word, it's spelled ER. And this particular ending on the word is not just an R controlled vowel, it's also a suffix. A teacher is someone who teaches, and the ER is a suffix. So that means we have to underline teach. Now, let's look at the long sound of E. We have to circle the EA. We have a digraph, CH, and the syllable, we only would mark this first syllable. And since it has a double vowel, put your fingers there, double vowel, it is the double vowel. Teacher. I wonder how many of you will grow up to be a teacher. I hope you do. All right, good job. Next slide. Okay, let's start. Let's do a sentence. Here's your first sentence. Echo me. Your breakfast is ready. Your breakfast is ready. All right. If your, now this is a tricky word. Your, capital Y, O, U, and then you put an R on the end. Your breakfast. Oh, we just practiced this one. Breakfast. B, R, E, A, K, breakfast, F, A, S, T. Your breakfast is, 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 sounds like IZ, but it's IS, is ready. Ooh, we practiced that one too. Ready. R, E, A, D, Y. Your breakfast is ready. Now you could put a period there, but I get pretty excited by breakfast, so I'm going to put an exclamation mark. Your breakfast is ready. You may pause the video if you need more time. All right, good job. Last sentence. Echo me. Do you know whose team won? Do you know whose team won? All right, do, D-O, do, you, Y-O-U, do you know? Now this is a tricky word because it starts with a silent K, K-N-O-W. Do you know, K-N-O-W, do you know whose, I'm going to bring it down here. Oh, we practiced whose. W-H-O-S-E. Do you know whose team, ooh, has an E-A in it, team. Do you know whose team won? Now this isn't the number one, it's they won a game. W-O-N, won, and put a question mark. Do you know whose team won? Well, that's all for today, boys and girls. I'll see you next time.